Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will share with you the best pieces from YSL Saint Laurent. They are including the handbags and the SLGs. However, those pieces that I mentioned in today's video is from my personal opinion. I may missing some items. If you think I should including those items in today's video, please leave a comment below. Let everyone see. So without further ado, let's jump into it. We will start with the handbag first. So the first one is the YSL toy Lulu bag. YSL Lulu bag come with different sizes, and this one is the smallest size. Between the mini, small, medium, I think the mini will be the best choice because it does has a good capacity and it also has the removable strap. And the other part is this bag is very lightweight, and compared with the bigger size, they are pretty heavy. However, this one already increased the price, so all I can suggest is wait for the sales, such as Saks Fifth Avenue. Sometimes they do have a promotion going on, and including this brand, they will come a couple times a year, especially during the holiday like Thanksgiving or Christmas. They do have a lot of promotion come on, so you can wait for that. Other thing I can suggest is buying from the Lulala.com. I bought a lot of designer bag from this website. I'm not sponsored by them. I just wanted to share with you that you can get it from that website. They always have sales. However, their color is sometimes a limit. If you want the black color, it's very easy to get it, but if you want something like a brown color, it may be difficult to get it from this website. This one feature is calf skin leather. When you open it, it does have the 2 compartments, and it can fit a lot. Definitely can fit your cell phone. It's very good capacity and it's not so heavy. Come with the removable strap. They do have 2 versions. The one is the mini Lulu bag. They don't have adjustable, and this one is a toy Lulu bag. They do have adjustable strap, and also have some credit card slots. So it's a very versatile piece. So this is the first one I would recommend it. Moving to the next one, YSL mini Lulu camera bag. So the reason I recommended this piece because the leather is so durable. It's so much better than the regular camera bag. The regular camera bag is a smooth calf skin leather. It still have a chance to get a scratch, but this one is very durable, like a Chanel's caviar leather. It's not so easy to get a scratch. And the back there has the back pocket. It has a zip closure, and when you open that, interior also leather. For me, the only con of this one is this is not the removable strap, and the strap length is pretty long for my body frame. But this is another nice bag to have it, and for the price tag or for the capacity, you definitely can fit your cell phone without any problem, and you have a lot of space for that. So this is another one I would recommend. So the next one is YSL college bag, and so this is the one I've been using up to today. It's already 2 months. I do love it. That's why I don't want to change. I still using this bag right now, as you can see. Also come with the 2 compartments, and you can fit a lot of things. The back also has the pocket, and this pocket is so convenient. I normally just put my cell phone in, and so that's easy to in and out. I like the feature. The one I choose is a light color, and to tell truth, I got the color transfer. I don't know if you can see. I can insert the picture. After I use 1 month, I got the color transfer. I gotta be very careful because the light color, it will have the color transfer, so just keep in mind. This also comes with the removable strap, so this strap you you can take it out, or you can put it on. However, I have to mention it, a wonderful con for this bag is the chain, which I really never hear anyone mention it. I don't know why, or I just missed it. As you can see, this chain should be like this, and right here you see that. So it's always like have to adjust it, and as you can see, this also the same way. So this is one thing I never know before until I have this bag. It just drives me crazy. So I really don't like to use this chain. So keep in mind, this is the biggest con of this bag, which I don't know if other people have the same experience of this chain. You can see it just twisted. It's not like this part like should be flat. No, here it's like this. But other than that, I just love this bag. Moving on to the next bag is the envelope bag in the medium size. So the envelope bag, they do come with the 3 sizes, the small one, the medium, and the bigger one. I think that the medium one will be the best. I do love this bag. I feel this bag, it won't happen like that. And also have the back pocket. It is very formal bag. Interior just fabric, and the back have a back pocket. Between those 3 sizes, small, medium, and the large, I definitely highly recommend it for this one. This is the alternative of the Chanel classic flap, but the price tag is so much better than the Chanel. So this is another one I would recommend it. Moving on to the next one, which is not in my collection, but I kind of want to add to my collection. I think that this one is very practical and fit my lifestyle also very well. The only reason holding me back is the price tag. That is the YSL Nikki bag in the baby size. I've been wanting this one since last year, but the price tag is still very high. But in the future, I may add this piece. So the last one, but not least, it is another piece that used to be very popular, but now it's a kind of like a cool down a little bit. That is the Uptown Pouch. This is a bag organizer, so you can actually add a chain. You can wear as a shoulder bag or as a handhold, so you can leave the hand free. So this is another choice. You just put it there, add the chain on that. So this is the YSL Uptown Pouch. Now used to be very cheap, now also increased the price. So the next one is the YSL Wristlet. This is another very versatile piece. I did it by the bag organizer from Amazon, and this one you can just add a chain and you can wear as a handbag, and sometimes you just can use the strap and go like this. So this is another piece I think you can consider. However, the thing I don't like it is the button. This button is a little bit annoying. I rather this button has a magnetic. It will be so much easy to open and close. Now this open has no problem, but close, because it's a small button, so you kind of like you have to look closely to close, otherwise not close. So this is the thing you need to keep in mind. It is very simple interior. It is fabric. Back there has the slip pockets. So this is the YSL Wristlet. I also recommend it. Last one but not least, of course, it is the small leather goods, which is the YSL card holder. Now, among all card holder from different fashion house, I truly love YSL card holder so much. First of all, it is my favorite color, red, and I feel so comfortable to use this one. I've been using this one non-stop for past 2 years. Middle part you can put bills and also have the 4 credit cards last. So this is the last piece I would recommend it. So these are the best pieces from YSL Saint Laurent. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks, bye.